my name is Amia. I am a special effects makeup artist based here in Atlanta. I mostly do special effects for film and music videos, and I thought that I would share a simple, beginner-friendly special effects Halloween look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's not too hard. It took me about 15 minutes. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is add a thin layer of liquid latex to your neck. Whenever you're using liquid latex, it is always easier to work with thin layers because it dries quicker that way. Once you've added your layer of liquid latex, you can unravel a cotton ball and just apply that to the latex. You can remove any excess cotton that is left or that isn't sticking to the latex. And then you are going to add another liquid latex layer on top of the cotton. It's okay if it doesn't lay down completely. We are going to be adding another layer of cotton, so it doesn't have to be completely even. As you can tell, I was having a little bit of trouble laying this side of it down, but it's okay because it's supposed to look like a scar. It does not have to be perfect. That's the beauty of special effects makeup. And once you add your second layer, you're going to want to actually add 3 layers and then blow dry it till it's all the way dry. Once it's fully dry, I take the end of my makeup brush and just start pulling between my skin and the latex. And you want to make sure that you aren't pulling it all the way off, so you are leaving a piece of the latex still stuck at the top. We don't want it to come all the way off. So once you've created that pocket, I use a black eyeshadow to create some depth. You can use a dark purple or a dark blue. And this is just going to help make it look like there is a shadow. Once you've done that step, you are going to move on to using a foundation or concealer that is your shade, and you are just going to blend the liquid latex and your skin together. It doesn't really have to be extremely perfect because remember, it will be covered in blood and more bruising, so just make sure that all the white is completely covered, and then you can move on to creating the bruising. So I use a blush or purple eyeshadow, and I just use a fluffy brush to create the illusion of irritation. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blood jelly, like I like to call it, and this is just going to make it look more irritated. And I add that to the top, the pocket, and also the bottom of the scar. I like to make it look like it is dripping down, so I drag it down with a little beauty blender. At this point, I like to use liquid blood, not the jelly blood, to create these little driplets that make it look like it is falling down. And at this point, you are done. Not too complicated, very simple look. Basically anybody can do this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like it.